Okay, here they come. I can hear them. We're going to have a big bee swarm here in just a minute. Let's see. Yeah, there they are. And I'm just going to get in a position here and we'll watch them come in. Here they come. There's literally hundreds in the air right now. They're all in the trees, but they are getting ready to swarm this box, and the queen is on her way. We're waiting for her arrival now. Everybody's waiting. She's going to be here any minute now. You can hear it's getting a little bit noisy. Well, this is a big hive. She still hasn't got here yet. On her way. Sound's intensifying a little bit now. I don't know if you can see the movement on the ground. Getting closer. You can tell they're getting a little more turbulent. Oh, she's near now. And she's here. You can see that, yeah, they're right up there. There she is. She's in there. They're moving her now into that center hole right there. You can see all the bees that are in the area here. There they are. Now I'm right in the middle of this bee swarm. I'm wearing a tank top and have no fear whatsoever. When the bees are swarming, very docile. And there's hundreds of them around me right now. Let's see if we can get a good shot here. There we go. This is crazy. This is insane. They are flying all around me right now. You can see. They're working their way right into that little hole there. That is a bee swarm box, a bee capture box. And you can hear they're pretty turbulent. And within probably about another 5 minutes, they'll all be inside. And this swarm will have relocated. into its new temporary home. It's good size. Got a couple of thousand bees here. I'll try to keep recording as long as I can. We'll see if we can't get that whole hive to get up into that box. Make this a nice live capture. This is about as close as you're ever going to get to seeing a full bee swarm move into a box here. We're literally probably, I would say, 6 feet underneath this box. It's amazing. This is fascinating. The bees are completely around me, not touching me, not harming me at all. It's a very docile hive. When bees swarm, they're very inactive, so unprotected. They don't want to strike unless you provoke them. If I were to start waving my hands around now and hit a few of them, I would likely get stung, no doubt about it. But right now I'm very confident. I'm in shorts and a tank top, no shoes on, and I'm just going to slowly move over here. We can get another angle. See, you can see all the bees that are in the area here. This is absolutely incredible. Incredible to see this happening right here. We've got about 60% of the hive inside now. Maybe about, yeah, I'd say a little over, at least over 50-60%. You can hear that the noise is dying down just a little bit from my perspective. There's still just a massive amount of bees that are flying around. But in comparison to what we were just seeing, not as many. They're flying around my hands, they're flying around my face, my body, they're going in and out of my arms, my fingertips. And not a one of them landing. They're just flying right around me. They're more concerned about getting their queen right up into that little hive there. And this is a perfect example of a great bee swarm capture without any effort whatsoever. I knew they were coming. There was a few scouts that are around. These guys come here once every year. I hooked up the bee swarm container there that you see hanging. And when I got a few of them that were, I saw a few of them that were in here flying around that were checking out the area. I knew that it wasn't just a matter of time, so I just hung around here and just wait for them to come. Fantastic. We're almost complete, but we're at just about 10 minutes. I want to make sure this is just under 10 minutes so I can post this on YouTube. So in about 4 more seconds, we'll see you, and I'll shoot another video.